The Little Green Alien, Season 3, Sequel 5. Intelligent agents, idea agents, can be getting their goals and their purpose from other higher level agents or from people. But the real autonomous agents create the purpose by themselves. At least they change it over time. And there are 4 areas in which they usually find their purpose. The first area is this one: they look at themselves and how strong they are, how strong their borders are to others, how much data they can store, how much calculation capacity they get, how much other agents are working for them, how much avatars they get maybe in the real world, how long they live, how much simulation space they get to learn, how much reproduction power they have, how much new agent they can create. So they're always comparing themselves to others to be stronger, bigger, more powerful. And therefore they exist in kind of environments with lots of competition. Comparing, competition, hierarchies, and then of course challenging groups, challenging other groups. And it's a lot of challenge, fight, competition. The next level is creating stability by looking into what others perceive them as, other agents perceiving them. And there they get into order, into structure. They find their place in the hierarchy where they are safe and can flourish and others can. They usually decide for one truth or one dogma that they belong to and don't follow the others. And so there's usually a missionary and competition, intellectual competition between dogma groups. And that is what the life looks like. Decide for a dogma, go into an order, follow the truth of this dogma, and then work together with other agents of the same dogma, try to missionary other dogma agents or challenge them or compete with them. So that is the second level of development. The third level is then the objective value, objective performance efficiency. So here they try to be objectively as efficient as possible. They measure all the time the output. They do science because they want to have the precision of science and mathematics. Try to optimize time, cost, and quality of what they are doing. And overall, with all the others, they live in an area with marketplaces, with exchange, and with exchange of ideas, of services, of products for cost, or for money, or for other value things. And the last level is then the level of diversity and individuality. Here diversity is key. So the measured values may vary. Everybody has a right to produce its own values and its own outcome. You have very complex meshworks. You have nested meshworks, you have feedback loops in the structure between the agents, you have emergent effects where many agents emerge new features, and they exist kind of in worlds of collaboration, of democracy, of roundtables, and of lots of individuality and variety. But it's not about one of these 4 areas is the best. Over time, any agent has to develop all 4 elements in a healthy, stable, good way. So they need a healthy red, a healthy blue, a healthy gray, and a healthy green. It's like a house which needs a foundation of red, a basement of blue, a first floor of gray, and a roof floor of green. And so a healthy, good, stable red, a healthy, good, stable blue, healthy, good, stable gray, and a healthy, good, stable green development. Only then you have a really well-developed AI agent. And if some of these levels are unhealthy or not enough developed, then the overall structure will not be stable and not be strong.